this guide, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can download and install shaders here in Minecraft. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you have Minecraft open, go ahead and close it. And yes, this does include the launcher, but don't worry, we're going to be coming back to that later. From here though, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. And the first thing that I would recommend doing is downloading OptiFine. You could literally do this by just typing in OptiFine just like so and hitting enter. And then go to OptiFine.net, which is the first option that's going to appear. Go to downloads up at the very top and find your Minecraft version. As of right now, the most recent version is 1.21.10. So you just select preview versions and then find the top option and hit download on it just like so. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. This is an ad page, so don't select anything on here. Just wait up at the very top for about 5 seconds for this next link to appear and select on it when it does appear and then hit download. It's going to immediately download that launcher up at the very top, and it should be a jar file that looks something like that. If it's not this, go ahead and download Java first, and we have a full guide breaking down that. I recommend checking that out if you don't have a file that kind of looks like, you know, some tea coming out of this cup. Once it does finish, select it and then hit install and then hit OK when it finishes, and it should automatically close. Now from here, you're going to go to really any shader website that you would like. I personally think a really good one is going to be CurseForge. So essentially go to curseforge.com, select Minecraft, and then go to browse all. And from here, you can filter specifically by shaders. But I actually have a specific one that I like, which is going to be these complementary shaders reimagined. Essentially find whatever shaders you would like though, and select it. If you want some really good ones, these ones are great. I definitely recommend them. But essentially find it, hit files up on the very top, and then just make sure that you filter by the most recent version of the game, or you can also filter it by the OptiFine file. In my case, since I did just download OptiFine, you're going to want to put OptiFine on here, then select the most recent version and hit download file. It's gonna, once again, take you to like an ad page where you just need to wait 5 seconds. And once that 5 seconds does finish, you'll see the file pop up here, up at the very top. Now, once it does finish, what I recommend doing is just dragging this onto your desktop. It's just going to make it a little bit easier to find later. But essentially, now you're going to want to go ahead and open up that Minecraft launcher again and just wait for a second. It shouldn't take too long for it to load, but you should notice OptiFine down at the very bottom right here. If you don't see OptiFine, select it, find OptiFine on here, and then go ahead and hit play, and it's going to pop up the box. Tick the box, hit play again, and wait for it to load. It's going to essentially load into Minecraft right now. Once it does load, go ahead and hit options and then go into your video settings. And what you're going to want to do is hit shaders just like so. And from here, what I recommend doing is just, opening up your file explorer on another page, for example, and essentially finding that complementary shaders on that file explorer, which for me, I dragged onto the desktop. So I'll see it right here. Just drag that right into Minecraft and you'll see it pop up on there. If you are having any issues with this, literally just make it not full screen and then you can drag it in and boom, it'll pop up on there. And from here, just simply select that shader pack for you and it's going to immediately reload Minecraft. Hit done again, and then you can go ahead and get loaded into your game and it's going to have shaders on it. Let's just load into this to show you that it did work. As you can see, we now have shaders on here. This is my custom world. If you want to know how to download custom worlds, make sure to check out our other video. You can literally tick shaders on and off as well. So just keep that in mind. You just got to go to this option, go to shaders, find it, and from here you can turn it on and off. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.